Hey everyone, welcome back to the Home Stretch. I'm Nina Soden, Realtor, Associate Broker, and Team Leader of the Soden team at Legend Realty.
And I'm Kat Frisby, your favorite tattooed mortgage loan officer with Victorian Finance.
Today, we're tackling a question almost every seller asks at some point. Should you renovate your home before selling or sell it as is?
So there's no one-size-fits-all answers, but there's a right way to decide.
Okay, let's clear up a misconception first. Selling a home as is does not mean you can hide issues. As is simply means you're not planning to make repairs or updates before closing.
And buyers will absolutely factor that into their offer.
Okay, completing renovations prior to going active on the market can make sense when the updates are cosmetic, affordable, and high impact.
So think paint, flooring, lighting, minor landscaping, things that improve first impressions.
These are upgrades that tend to show a strong return because they help buyers emotionally connect to the home.
They also make it easier for buyers to justify the price when financing and appraisals come into play.
Now, let's look at the flip side. There are renovations that don't always make financial sense before selling. Those renovations that rarely pay off.
So full kitchen remodels, luxury upgrades, or highly personalized finishes can be risky.
You may not get top dollar, you may not get dollar for dollar return, and you might not choose what buyers actually want.
Yeah, so especially if the rest of the home doesn't match the level of that upgrade.
Selling as is can make sense if major systems are nearing the end of their life.
Or if the seller doesn't have the time, the cash, or the desire to manage the renovations.
Okay, investors and buyers looking for value are often happy to take on projects if the purchase price reflects it.
As is doesn't mean unsellable. It means priced and marketed correctly and oftentimes below market value to take into account necessary maintenance and renovations. Yeah. From a lending perspective, the condition of the home matters.
Some loan types are more strict about repairs, though, and deferred maintenance can limit a buyer pool, which can affect demand and price.
That is why strategy matters before you list. So talk to Nina or your realtor to make sure you strategize the right way to list your home before you go on the market.
Okay, here are a few questions every seller should consider before deciding how they want to list and market their home. How much will the updates cost? How much value will they realistically add? Who is the likely buyer for this home? And how quickly do I need to sell?
And just as important, what is your stress tolerance?
Renovations can delay listing and add unexpected complications.
So there's also a middle ground, the hybrid approach. This is
probably the most common, right? Okay, fix what's broken, clean what's dirty, and leave the rest.
This approach often delivers the best balance between effort and return.
It also shows care without over-investing.
Remember, renovating isn't always the answer, and selling it as is isn't always a disadvantage.
The key is understanding your market, your home, and your goals. If you're considering selling and aren't sure what makes sense for your situation, that's where professional guidance matters.
We're happy to help you weigh the options and create a strategy that works best for you.
Our contact information is in the video description. Just give us a call today and schedule a free, no-obligation home consultation.
Thanks again for tuning in to the Home Stretch. If you like this episode, please like, share, and subscribe. It really does help the channel.
All right, we'll see you next time on the Home Stretch. Bye, y'all.